Hello my friends, today we make a nice meal, just vegetables. We start with broccoli, the usual onion, garlic, turmeric, a little bit hot stuff. We have, this is, maybe you don't see it, it is tofu, we have vegetable, bell pepper, we have some beans left over, we put it together, and the whole stuff comes with red and black rice. So, and we have the rice here and the prepared water we put it into. So the rice is cooking fast. The turmeric, the hot stuff, the onions, the garlic, is also the ginger, everything prepared to be cutted. Now the beans are under preparation. They get fine small, come in the pan, and this will be cutted soon. The onions and the garlic is in the pan. The beans come in the pan. And the other stuff comes in the pan. The tofu is prepared, cutted. It comes in the pan soon, within 1 minute. Now the tofu comes into the pan. So, and now the broccoli is prepared and comes in the water, which is also a little bit prepared with herbs. So, the broccoli is coming. Put it directly on the plate. Everybody get the half. Oh, shit. So, the broccoli is already on the plate now. And we just share it with two. So, it is good. So the red rice is ready and comes to the plate. Yes, wonderful. Now the vegetable sauce is coming with beans and everything. Up to the plate. So, and as a dessert today we get dragon fruit, which is very healthy and very tasty. So that's it. Bon appetit. That's the plate. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.